I want you guys to see why this indicator is said to be the most accurate, the only working indicators that you will ever come across when it comes to TradingView, or rather when it comes to Ninja Trader. And so guys, I want you to see how effective this indicator is. The name of this indicator is the volume profile. Volume profile, just as the name suggests, it shows the total volume of the market. And as you can see right here, we have bars over here and we have bars right here. All right, so guys, what you're supposed to know, the longer the bar, that is where volume is basically concentrated, right? And so guys, what you're supposed to know, many times you will see longer bar of the volume profile. Most of the times those are consolidation areas. This is where smart money, or rather this is where big players actually accumulate their orders, so that they will decide whether the market will proceed to the upside or rather the market will proceed to the downside. So guys, how do you use this indicator? How do you use this volume profile? Number one, I've showed you, it will make you know the most concentrated areas with the highest volume. Okay, and so what you do, because I've told you it's like a consolidation, you cannot execute your trades right here, and this indicator does everything probably well, simply because it is actually even highlighting the level for us with this pink color right here, showing us for sure this is a very concentrated area. Okay, so if an indicator that you know plots this line, you're going to find the volume indicator on tradingview.com. You're just going to click on indicators tab, then you're going to click on any volume profile, select the one created by TradingView. It is basically easier to use and free. Okay, so you don't need to pay anything. So guys, in this case right here, what I want you to keep in mind is that you are now at a highly concentrated area right here, and so when you see a highly concentrated area whereby you're being shown by the volume profile, you're supposed to keep in mind smart money are actually in control. And so guys, you expect movement like this over here. You expect movement like this as well. All that they're trying to do is to cheat you right here, so that you can execute the buy order and the market goes against you. Okay, and here they want to trick you that the market is basically going to sell and the market goes against you. So when you find a level like this, you can actually be able to identify the high and lows. They're very important. And so guys, ask yourself the way forward. Understand there will be manipulation, understand there will be inducement, understand as well there will be liquidity sweep. So once you do all this, you have to keep in mind right here, you have to actually pay close attention. Okay, so what I want you to do, you will not execute trade right here, you will only execute your trades. Number one, if price closes or rather breaks above and closes below this level over here, or rather this line over here that we're being shown by the volume profile, and basically execute your sell order when price basically breaks below this low over here. And so guys, without further ado, allow me to draw the high and lows so that we'll be able to basically understand what I'm trying to put across. I will do it real quick. So those are the levels that you'll be watching the market from. I told you, you're going not to execute your trades until when you see price has shown you a sign of proceeding to the upside or rather proceeding to the downside. So my prediction right here, because of this big momentum candlestick pattern right here, I can basically say the market is going to proceed to the downside. So I'm going to take my sell order. So guys, we are going to target our nearest point. These ones over here, let me draw them so that you can see. I would be targeting that level. If not that level, we will target these levels too. Remember, I will take my sell order, and as well, I'll be targeting this level. It has to break below it. If it happens not to break below it, then the consolidation is not over. You have to keep that in mind. In fact, if you want to execute trades, be paying attention on consolidation. Consolidation really gives you, or rather a probability that you're going to make pretty good amount of money. So guys, I'm basically going to put my stop loss slightly above this level over here, this high over here. And so my take profit, these lines will basically guide me. If price breaks below, I will keep on holding my positions. So guys, we'll be waiting to see where price heads to, okay? But I am actually hoping it will proceed to the downside because of this candle closure right here, simply because price will have a task to basically break this level, and as well to break this level over here. So there is a probability it will definitely head to the downside. So guys, let me draw my entry right here up to this level here. Want you traders to see my stop loss will be basically above this high right here, not this one. And so guys, let's see how the market is basically going to behave. So guys, that's give me an assurance there is a probability the market selling, okay? That's why I told you it is a task for price to really break this level again. So that's give me an assurance the market has a probability of continuing to sell. So basically guys, this is how we're going to do it, and wait patiently. But I'm trying to rush this video. Again, here we go. Again, there we go. And yes, price really persists to the downside. And basically, here we go. So guys, that's basically what you're supposed to keep in mind. If you're wise, you basically see my entry right here was basically shown that price is going to the downside because price broke below this. Again, it broke below the purple line shown by the volume profile. And if you're wise, if the market retested, you can basically see it really reacted to the pink line shown by our volume profile. So price being rejected, close below this, and after rejection of higher prices, price is basically to the downside. And you can see guys, the price is actually as well showing potential to the downside, right? So guys, that's what I wanted to show you. I hope it is understandable and easy. So guys, that is basically what I do, and I hope this added some value to you. Okay, it's good to test these things, and as you can see guys, it worked as predicted. So that's the power of volume profile, adding it with extra knowledge that I have. So guys, subscribe to this channel, like this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.